In this video, I'll show you what to do in case your PlayStation Portal is frozen. The screen is unresponsive. You cannot touch anything. Nothing is working. Well, this is your problem. What you need to do is to go on the top, find the power button, this big one right over here, and we need to keep it pressed during 15 seconds. This will unfreeze it. So I'm pressing right now, and even if you see stuff appearing on the display, do not release the button until you see the PlayStation logo right in the middle. So I'm still pressing at this point, even if the screen is black. Okay, I see the PlayStation logo. Now I can release the button and it will boot up normally. And after that, you'll be able to use it. The screen won't be frozen anymore. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, take a moment, comment down below. If you have any other solutions to fix this issue, I want to know as well. So type a comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.